Welcome to Shore Fishing Films, everyone. Ryan and I, we've popped up to Minehead on this beautiful beach here called White Mark. This is our first cast. I was going to do a little bit of an intro, but seem to have been interrupted by a nice pull down. We are hoping for a nice blonde ray. Never had a big one, had a few smaller ones, never had a big one. So we've got half a bluey out there at the moment on a 5-foot pulley. I can feel something on the end. I'll wait for another pull and we're going to see where it is. Should we just see where it is? Yeah? Okay, let's just have a look. Put my light on. We haven't followed all the madding crowd down to Chesil Beach after a cod. So we come up to Minehead. Way! Fish on. Let's go. Guys, see the bend in that rod? Can you see the bend in that rod? Oh.
No, you just missed it because it's so dark. Oh no, you can.
Oh. It's definitely a ray, I think. Let's go down to the water. You can hear that wind singing in the with the tight line. I'm going to keep it coming because I don't want to get it snagged at all. There's a few little snags up here. Come on. What it is the biggest flapping paper bag in the Bristol Channel. Let's go a bit further. Oh, spotted. All right, breathe in. Let's have a look. Right, if you come down here, I can tell you the difference. So this is a spotted ray who's just caught me that. And you can tell it's a spotted because the spots don't go right to the very edge. They stop about here. So if it was a blonde, it'd be right to the edge. But that's a spotted, it's not a bad little fish. They don't get massive spotted, so quite happy with that. He was foul luck, that's why he was so difficult to get in. But, you know, we're on the fish. It's not a blank. See if I can lift him up for you without killing myself. There we go. Oh, nah, he's got spikes up. There you go anyway. Yeah, get him back in the sea. Right, here we go, put him back. He will disappear as soon as we let him go. There he goes. Oh no, he's coming back. Here's Ryan getting a bit of a bite. We've had 2 dogfish and 1 spotted ray. A couple of gents up from us from Exmouth. They've had a nice small-eyed ray and a load of dogfish. His bite seems to have stopped. We put on black lug now. Try to see if there's any codling around. Anything happening?
Not yet.
Ugh.
I'm waiting for it to. Not yet.
Beautiful night, no wind, flat calm, tiny ripple on the waves, on the sea. The tide's just turned, so hopefully that'll turn the fish off for the next hour. Turn them on, sorry, not turn them off.
Yeah, no.
We'll see how we get on. Whilst we're waiting for this bite, we have had a couple of trips to Chesil just to see if there's any codling, and we'll let you watch that a minute whilst we wait for this bite to develop. Catch you in a minute. It's a long time since we made a video. Well, it feels like a long time anyway. So Ryan and I, we are currently up on Chesil Beach. There's a few rumours of a few spring cod then, summer cod. So we're giving it a go in a place where we normally catch, which is in front of the cottages here at Abbotsbury. So we're going to give it a go with squid. We've got crab and we've got some lug. It's been rough the last couple of days, really rough. Storm Betty went through and it stirred up the floor. It's quite murky out there, so hopefully we've got a good chance. So we will keep you informed on how we go throughout the evening. Just wanted to say a quick word. We haven't really made much video because we've not really felt like it, if I'm honest. One of our very good friends, Mr. Kevin Winters, passed away shortly after the ELBC 2023 video. But I know he would want us to carry on, so he's probably fishing wherever he wants to. So we're going to carry on and make a few videos and see how we get on. We will catch up with you shortly. Ryan's using squid and lug today as a combination. See if he can attract something anyway. Wow, look at that. He's a bit bloody, but we got in there. Hey, well done. Got some weight on it. I'll go and have a look. It's a woofer. Wow. He's got a woofer. Let's have a look. At least it's a fish. It's been quiet all night, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Might have a fish on. It's been really quiet all day. And now we seem to be getting into a few just on coming up to low tide. Only seem to be dogfish. Hopefully this might be something different. Here it comes, whatever it is. Ah! Ah. It's another dogfish. They do like the squid. Beautiful cod bait there. Cod absolutely love a load of beautiful blow lug. How many you got on there?
5.
5 on there. Look at that, look. What self-respecting cod would turn that down? Or bass? Probably all of them the way we're going. Well done. Get him out there. Let's get something. That's the secret, you see. You keep winding and then you hit the bottom of the bank, and that's where the fish are. Just gently until the tip bends over. That's it. And then you should be where the fish are. Up a nice squid. Ow! I'll tell you what I'm going to put on this. Get a nice lug. I'm going to wrap that on as well. Look at that, that's a squid and lug cocktail for you. Lots of people may say that's not the way to do it, but it works for us, normally. Seems to work for dogfish tonight, that's definite. Oh! I'm glad that wasn't over me. Let's wrap him off. So there we go. Nice squid and lug cocktail. Chop his tail off. I'll put the hooks in that, wind it on a little bit more and stick them out at the bottom of the beach, see if there's a bass or a cod. Right, there's my squid and lug cocktail. Bring on the cod, dogfish, conger, whiting, bass, whatever swims really. So, Ryan has a different species. Wow.
Amazing.
It's the first of the whiting. First of many.
Perfect.
Wanna have a look? Wait! Hang on! What he's got there is Poutinzilla. Ryan's got Poutinzilla there. Look. Hold it in front of you so I can see how big it is. Hold it in front of you. Look at the size of that.
There's only two we've ever seen this.
Yeah, that's massive. Good one.
Awesome.
Well, thanks for joining us on this massive Chesil beach. We've had a great day. We've been into dogfish, pouting, really big ones, a few whiting. Ryan had a small bass earlier. We was hoping for a cod. They didn't turn up, although we have got some beautiful baits out now on our last cast. So the tide is coming in. It's probably the best time to leave, but we've been here a long time and it's time to go home. Right, we will catch you all again soon. Thank you very much from Chesil Beach. See you all soon. Ooh, well, This is that last cast. Nice slackline bite. I'd love it to be a cod. But it's going to be a dogfish. Let's go and have a look. I knew it! Right, sticking out a bit of a bluey here. I hope you enjoyed the video from Chesil. Not much going on there at the moment apart from dogfish and small bass. So here I've got a section of bluey which I've wound onto my nice baiting tool, and if I can find the end of the elastic, there we go. I'm just going to whip this on a little bit more, put some elastic around the eye of the hook, like that. Just make sure it stays in place. Fishing here at Minehead, a lot of people tend to cast as far as they can. You don't actually need to. The fish come in quite close to the beach as they come through. So you don't have to whip, just checking my hook's nice and sharp still. Yeah, you don't have to cast a million miles. Put that to one side. And then I have a small chinook hook. This is a size 2. So I'm going to slide down. Wrap him around a few times around the line. Go through the top of the bait. Slide it off my baiting tool. And there we go. There is a nice half a bluey going out for a ray. Hopefully anyway. Probably a dogfish. But there we go. Right, send out to sea. Well, we are just on our last cast. It's got freezing. November. It's freezing. But there you go. Right, so we've had dogfish and that spotted ray. I've got a little bite going on which I'm going to check now. I might have one more cast after that. But it's been lovely to get out in the fresh air, even though it is very fresh. It's been good to go fishing. Ryan and I have really enjoyed it. We've had some hot chocolate with us. That was perfect in the flask. So it's just about having a good time in it. So it would be nice to catch a nice ray. We haven't caught our blonde today. We haven't even caught a smalleye today, but it is getting a little bit later for them. But then again, the guys up from us did have a nice one. So we'll keep going. We might come back again. Obviously we're trying to get hold of a cod. We've not really put much effort into that. We're too much into our ray fishing really, and trying to find some new marks and some new bass marks, which we'll bring you soon on video hopefully. But that's it. Welcome again, goodbye again, we'll see you again soon. Keep fishing everybody, have a good time. I'm going to see if there's anything on here. Feels like I might have something, but I reckon this is a dogfish. Another dogfish. Dogfish at Chesil, dogfish in the channel. Might be lucky. Ooh. Might be a conger. Let's have a look at the sea. It's a bigger dogfish, I'll give it that.